Hi everybody, Mike with Get Wireless, your Peplink guy, and today I'm going to unbox the new Balance 310 5G. This is a great device, and this is what we would call a hybrid device in the fact that it has two cellular radios, one 5G radio, and then a second radio on the 4G network, which is a Cat 12. So let's open this thing up. So the first thing that you can see is the device itself. Here are my four antennas for my 5G radio. My SIM door is in the front. One thing to note about this device is it uses the micro SIM, so it's the 4FF instead of the 2FF. So if you have the tri-cut SIMs, I highly recommend that. Then on the back, you can see I have all my Ethernet LANs and WANs. I have two SFP Plus ports for fiber. I have a console port, and I also have a USB port. So if you watched my earlier video about the Max adapter, this could plug into that very nicely and be a second radio. I also have my other antennas for my Cat 12 radio, so you can see there's only two of these. So if you're thinking of good antennas to use, you could use the Puma 401 if you want to have a better antenna, or you could use the 221 as well for this device. But it does come with the antennas, as we'll see here. So I'm going to put this device down so we can start looking at some of the included accessories with this. So the first thing that you can see is I have my power cable. And then I have my cellular antennas. So I have 6 cellular antennas here, one for each antenna on the radio, the 4 for the 5G, and then the 2 for the 4G. And then the other thing I get is my little foot pads for the device. So I can pop these out, put them right on the device. And there you go. There is the 310 5G device, the Balance 310 5G. For more questions, please reach out to your regional sales executive or your regional sales representative for more questions. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll talk to you soon.